Just what is it that you want to do?
So, well, I thought this air layer had failed, but it turns out that it's actually starting to put out roots, so that's a surprise, because like when I looked, there was I don't know, a couple of weeks back there was nothing. So oh, come on, focus on here. So yeah, I'm going to put this back on there before they dry out. Okay, so today is Monday the 19th of June, and I've noticed that this is starting to get a bit discoloured, so I thought I'd better check the air layer, and I think it's because the roots yeah, desperately need soil, so I'm going to basically cut it here now and then repot this lavender. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so there he is, all potted up. That was a bit close, to be honest. It's a bit too close for comfort. If I'd have left that any longer, I think the whole thing might have failed miserably. But I'm going to keep an eye on this over the next few days and see how it goes. They do root pretty well and pretty quick, so fingers crossed. So I'll do an update in a couple of days, so see you in a couple of days. Yeah. Okay, today is Monday the 10th of July, and it's a very noisy Monday, but I needed to get this video done out of the way. So this was the lavender air layer little project, and this is the last video in this series, just to show you that it is doing well. I just wanted to make sure that it didn't have any effects over the next few weeks, but so far so good. It's starting to flower. So yeah, it's so far so good, and this is a English lavender. I do have a French lavender here as well. French lavender. So that one's doing quite well. So I think that's it for this lavender air layer bonsai experimente. So yeah, wherever you are, stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye bye.